Hello, I am Susan Bu, the sales manager of Vanderlande in China. Before I joined the Lead with Words program, I got really nervous before every presentation. I talked fast, just wanting the presentation could be over soon. Sometimes I forgot my words. I used too many filler words, which sounded very strange. I was lack of confidence. I feel very lucky to have met with Michael and Michelle. They changed the way I thought about presentation. Now, I have a system to develop my presentation step by step. It has made me more effective to influence my audience and save me a lot of time. During the class, we developed a real presentation that we were going to have in a couple of weeks. It was really very practical. After the courses, all my friends and colleagues feel I improved a lot. My speaking speed slowed down. My body is more open and my voice is more clear. Most important, I am much more confident. It's not a class, it's a magic. I will recommend it all my friends to take this journey to experience the power of the words, together with Michael and Michelle, to lead with your words.
We have led our signature 2-day training program, Present to Influence, for many international companies and organizations, and we would love to help you too. Contact us today for more information.